Okay, how you would like to draw? You can go to the draw tab on the top, click on the line function. We are going to use the line function to draw the staircase. Okay, so once you click on the draw line function, you can see this information or this tab will appear, and there are two options, whether the red color or whether the correct button on the right hand side. Okay, so start with zooming the flight from your layout plan. Okay, you can go to this line, the yellow color line. Make sure you get the line until it reach to the yellow X. So press F4 and Fn together until you see that the line going inside the staircase. Okay, here you can see until it adjusted until it goes directly or parallel with your layout plan. Then you can stop until until the blue line stop at the gray line, because the gray line is the end part of your staircase. So click on this button. Okay, you left click here and then right click to confirm. And you can see this button had been changed from the gray to green color. So you click OK, right? Next one, we can go to the second flight. Make sure you click on the draw tab, go to the line function, zoom in. So this is the correct line that you have to start. Make sure you click on you press the F4 and Fn together until they are adjustment made for your staircase number 2 and until your line have been go inside. So let's say you would like to cancel, you can just click cancel here and try to do this one again. Okay, so once you click here, you can bring and hold your mouse until you bring to the top. Then you can press Fn together. Make sure you hold your mouse with Fn and F4 and then bring until the last line. So the last line of the gray color is until number 9. So left click and right click to confirm. So you have done for the second flight.